Welcome back, Kevin's Mobile Repair. 2007 Honda CR-V. We are doing a washer pump. Washer sprayer didn't work, so couldn't hear the pump. No fluid was in there, wasn't leaking or anything of that sort, so decided to replace the pump. Looks like we had a small little accident here, so once I got into that, this is what I found with the old pump. All the guts are missing. This was just sitting back there. This was just hanging on by the connector. There's the old tubes and stuff. Yeah, so basically the little front end damage right here kind of smacked the pump, which is down here at the bottom. Move this little fender well piece and you can get to it. It's right here down at the bottom. So yeah, it was all smacked up and destroyed, but got a new one in there, works peachy. So we are going back together with that. Just a couple trim clips, those little dumb push pins. Just a tool like yay. Take them out, take off the tire, or you can move the tire to the far right, and that'll still give you enough access here. I needed to take it off because I'm doing other stuff, aka a belt, plus cleaning off all the power steering fluid. There was an absolute mess underneath here, but that'll be another video. Washer fluid, we're in, we're good, it's brazed, customer happy.